Unroller self-loading. Concrete mixer is the combination of concrete mixer truck and cement mixer, which can automatically feed, measure, mix and discharge concrete mixture. Equipped with a powerful engine and wheel steering, the self-loading concrete mixer is just like a small car and the operator can drive it to where it needs to go. Self-loading concrete mixer features: the first, mixing station loader and concrete mixer truck. The second, one machine with multiple functions. Number 3, compact structure. Number 4, fast relocation. Number 5, high efficiency. Number 6, accurately mixed. Number 7, mixed evenly. Number 8, saving labor.